Okay, so this is my bottle rocket experiment. I did this with myself, Aiden Brigham, Stormy Knight, Rourke Shaughnessy, and Toli Lagusa. Everybody did a part, even though they might not be in some video or they might not be voicing over something. Everybody did something. So our mixture, we used H2O and butane. Butane is a combustible gas. And so the common uses for butane include lighters, used for like cigars or cigarettes. It's also in portable stoves or like some other stoves that are lit from like just in the kitchen and stuff. And then propellant in some aerosols, which was honestly surprising for me because I thought it was only used as like a fuel and a fire source. And so the next one is a heating fuel, and then it's also in air conditioning in refrigerators, which is also pretty interesting. So sorry, that was my brother. He just made a stinker, a real big stinker. All right, mister, you're gonna have to cut that out.
Sorry.
All right, sorry guys, sorry. Back to the presentation. So, the way that butane is used in a lighter is like this. So, liquid butane is sitting at the bottom of the lighter, and it will once somebody will hit the switch on it. Dude, enough, okay? If you have to shit yourself, then leave. Are we done? Okay. Jeez Louise. Okay, so once you hit the switch, the butane will rise to the top, and it will hit these sparks that also came out of a flint and steel method when the switch was flicked. And so once the butane hits the sparks, it makes a fire, and so butane is slowly going up, and it keeps that fire steady. So what we did was we reacted water with butane in a secured space. So we took a bottle, put water in it, and then shot a bunch of gas in through the cap of the bottle. And then we would turn.
Oh God, I'll take my leave. I'm sorry about that.
Yeah, you better, mister. Beat it now.
Okay, I'm out.
Goodness gracious. I'm so sorry, everybody. So then you have this bottle, and so H2O and butane in a space. So this representation picture I chose with the butane and the soda, we use water instead of soda. Both of them will launch the rocket or the bottle, and it will go very far and stuff. But we just chose to use the water instead of soda. So the way to do it is to poke a hole in the cap of the bottle, slightly loosen the cap, pour butane in through that hole, and then you flip the bottle upside down and in very quickly, and it will shoot out of your hands and go super far, as shown in the second picture. So what does butane do to water? Butane, when added to water in a compressed container, will shoot out of an opening, like we did in our experiment. With no container, the two molecules don't react in nature. However, because they've been put into this container, they will rush out of the immediate exit because butane is just like super pressured. So also there's a continuous pumping of the butane into the top that we had to do in order to make it shoot like a rocket. So because of the hole, you can't continuously pump in the butane until it explodes. And so the way that it actually shoots is the butane itself is lighter than water. And so when you flip the bottle upside down, the butane will push the water up, and it will shoot up like a rocket. And yeah, that's our presentation.
Oh God, sorry, it really crapped my pants.
What did I tell you about that,
Okay,
man?
I'm sorry.
Get out!
I'm sorry.
No, enough.
Okay.
Outsies, nowsies.
Yes, sir.